Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut are known for their rich probiotic content, often hailed as a boon for gut health and digestion. They offer a natural source of beneficial bacteria, which can bolster immunity and improve nutrient absorption. However, consumption of fermented foods can also pose risks due to the presence of histamines and other biogenic amines, potentially triggering allergies or intolerances in some individuals. In addition, the salt content in certain fermented foods, like pickles or salted fish, might elevate blood pressure if consumed excessively. Therefore, while fermented foods can be nutritious, it is crucial to consume them in moderation and be mindful of individual sensitivities.